Hello friends, my name is Darsh. Today I am going to show you two different type of toy. This is the first one. What is this? Oh, this is a mini button. We can also play with this. Wow!
If we push it.
If we press it down, it will be automatically come up. Wow! Now this is the next toy. What is this? Now, oh, they have converted into the cubes. If we want, we can close it. Wow! So nice. We can also play with this. These two toys I have made at home. This bird is also by me. I will put the link in this section. If you want to make this bird, you can like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. So nice toy. Thank you.